guys, welcome to our video. Today we are going to tell you about differences between this keyboard, which is mechanical keyboard, and this keyboard, which is membrane keyboard. Now let's see our video. But first, before we are going to tell you about what is the function of keyboard, let's discuss what is keyboard itself. Keyboard is the input device that can be used to type in a computer. Without this keyboard, we can't going to operate the computer well. Keyboard were invented from typewriter, which invented by Christopher Lanang because he just want to make a neat article. Back to this keyboard. Keyboard are divided into four types, which are keyboard serial, keyboard PS2, keyboard wireless, and then keyboard USB, just like this.
This keyboard has the same color as black. In the form of the keyboard is rectangular, which is the normal form for most keyboard. QWERTY keypad is also same, has the same layout and no significant difference. Both of which also use the same cable instead of a keyboard wireless. The type of this keyboard cable is USB cable type 3.0. In addition, both have a numpad, which make both length and magnitude of this keyboard looks almost no difference.
Now, we will explain difference between mechanical keyboard and membrane keyboard. First, switch. A mechanical keyboard have a mechanical switch, and membrane keyboard don't have it. Next, a quality build. Mechanical keyboard have more good quality build than a membrane keyboard because the price of mechanical keyboard is more expensive than a membrane keyboard. Cost more price, more good material. Next, USB cable. Mechanical keyboard have gold USB cable, and a membrane keyboard have a normal USB cable. A gold USB cable more responsive than a normal USB cable. Next, mechanical keyboard have a RGB lamp that make mechanical keyboard is more beautiful than a membrane keyboard. A mechanical keyboard have a software too. adjust color and programmable button. And the mechanical keyboard have a water resist material too, not like the common off-membrane keyboard that doesn't have it. That's it, a comparison and contrast between mechanical keyboard and membrane keyboard. Thank you for watching this video.